What's up, y'all? Just got the BWoody Performance quarter intake for the Hellcat. About to install it. First step is to see what we got in here. I ordered like the flat black look. Sit y'all down right here. Clean instructions. Okay, where's that? I believe that's it. Most of my things to unpack, but I'll be another video. Those are directions. Man, finally got this out. Whew, I was struggling for this about 15 minutes. Got to put a lot of pressure to pull this up and out. On to the next step, which I did this part right here, taking that out. I know that's gonna be hard. Let's see if I can get it. Last step is to connect this. Get the screw back on here. This is what it looks like underneath. Got a little rain guard underneath there. Try this way, you can see it better. Underneath there. And also I've seen where online where they sell like a guard for up there. I gotta order that. Put that in here. So when water gets into the intake, then would lead into getting into the engine. It also came with the sticker. Put that on. Here, let's screw this in. 8mm socket. In fact, this is a stock one too, by the way. It's not, they didn't supply one of these screws. It's a stock one. It's on. Also, there's like down in there is like another one. Screw it in there and slides underneath there. You screw that in. All right, overall. Yeah, so that was the hardest part. And first I had to cut the stock box off of here. And then remove these from the stock box right here. And then pull the stock box out. That was easy. And the hardest part, like I said, was pulling out the stock retainer underneath here. And there's like underneath here, there's like an intake. You have to pull that out just to get this in there. Overall, kind of clean. And also, mine came with this. Since right here, there's more instructions on how to install that. Right here, and they call it a Charger Hellcat IAT harness. And that's how you do that. You put that in there, right here. It just connects to the stock one. In order to do that, you gotta remove, obviously you have to remove this. And then find the wire. The wire's like deep in there. I'm gonna find a better spot for it, make it a little better finish. Overall kind of clean. There's some I probably have to end up cutting this a little bit, make it a little bit more flush, so I don't get that bend to make it look better. But yeah, I don't like that. I'll probably end up cutting that part, make it shorter. Yeah, so that's that. Yeah, it looks real good. I'm gonna keep my stock box just in case too though. I'm not gonna sell it or nothing like that. Oh yeah, it also came with, since I ordered it around the holiday season, came with a nice card. Here's what it says. Yeah, so I thought that was a nice touch. Like I said, I ordered it and it came within 2 days. Well, like I said, I'm not too far from the company, but still I thought that was pretty impressive. And also came with how to clean the air filter, directions on how to do that. And it came with 2 stickers. It came with a red BWoody sticker. It also came with this silver sticker. Obviously went with the silver, go with the supercharger, and the Hellcat. So match that. But yeah, so in the next video I'll show you, do a first drive review and how it is. And how it sounds from the inside and outside the car. So look for that next. Alright. Peace.